In celebration of Hello Kitty's 50th birthday, hello sa mga Hello Kitty fan out there, Teviant made a collaboration with Sanrio. Tada! Look, these are the products na nirelease ni Teviant in collaboration with Sanrio, and you can see all the Hello Kitty logos in each products that they released. Recently, nag-post ako ng videos about the Teviant's Lip Affair series. And alam nyo, meron silang lip vinyl, lip gloss, and lip filter na edition. Pero this one, sila rin itong mga lip product na ito, pero in a limited edition nga lang. Ibig sabihin, for a limited time lang siya available anywhere. Be it in the physical store, pati sa mga online stores nila, limited lang siya. And this is the Teviant Hello Kitty fragrant variant in Debutant. This is what it looks like. You can see at the back yung image logo ni Hello Kitty, and you can see it through sa front where you can see naman yung name ng brand, Teviant Hello Kitty, yung variant and information like that. This is a hair and body mist. 50 ml siya. This has a moisturizing effect sa ating skin, unlike other perfume. Pag in-spray mo, nakaka-dry ng skin. This is a hair and body mist. When you open the lid or cap, this is what it looks like. And you can see, have you seen that? That is what the mist look like. Very fine, and you cannot see even yung droplets niya. No massive droplets, and wala ka na makikita doon sa in-spray mo kasi sobrang liliit na mga mist niya. Literal na fine mist. Madali siyang ma-absorb ng balat. That's why when you applied it on your skin, tuyo na agad siya. Ganon. So, pwede siyang spray sa hair like that. Yan. O, diba? This is a delightful fusion of fresh. Tapos, meron siyang sweet notes paired with a warm, comforting base, creating a calming and uplifting fragrance. Uplifting and good vibes, yun yung term na masasabi ko to describe this one. Kasi, you know, Hello Kitty is like a happy and good vibe girl. Ang amoy niya, at first, it's like sweet floral, na behind that is merong vanilla-ish na naiiwan sa dulo. Tapos, pag nag-dry down na siya, meron siyang konting powder. This is fresh, pero at the same time, warm. Sa hair, ang bango rin niya. And hindi lahat ng mga fragrant is bagay sa hair, pero this one, ang fresh ng amoy ng hair ko. Nakaka-fresh siya ng hair. So, I think magagamit ko siya pag nakikipag-date ako. Let's proceed sa kanilang lip products. Unahin na natin ang kanilang lip filter. Like the first ones that I reviewed, they have frosted or matte packaging. So, meron silang dalawang shade, si Sweet Girl and si Empowered. So, this is what Sweet Girl looks like. Here. This is Empowered. So, Empowered, medyo hawig siya sa Dolce. Pero I think this one is more on the warmer and more serious tone. Am I saying it right? A-apply ko sila pareho kasi I feel like ganito yung vibe na gusto kong gawin sa kanilang dalawa. This is what Empowered looks like on my lips. I'm putting it on the outer part of my lips. Let's put the Sweet Girl in the middle to create a fading effect. This is Sweet Girl and Empowered. Sa gitna yung gradient effect na dark then pa-fade is yung Sweet Girl. I really love it. Look, they are perfect. Perfect match. Plus, yung Empowered kasi parang lips but better lang siya. So, nawala yung darkness around my lips. Parang kinover lang niya. Nagkulay lips ko lang siya mismo. Ganda. May idea na kayo anong gagawin nyo, ha? Kaya kayo, hindi kayo pwedeng hindi bumili nitong dalawa na to. Now, let's proceed with their lip vinyl. Kanina, yung pinakita ko sa inyo, frosted yung kanyang packaging. Itong kanilang lip filter. Pero, as you can see, comparison lang, you will be able to recognize this one kasi this one is glossy and clear yung kanyang packaging. And of course, manonotice nyo rin yung difference niya between this one and this one kasi obvious na ito ay lip gloss kasi you will see the shimmers and chromatic effects. This one is the Memories and this one is the Vacation. Let's watch it. Memories. On first layer, the lip vinyl, I'm expecting that it's just the same from the other lip vinyl edition na buildable din. So the more you put products, it gives cover on your lips. You don't need to apply any more product underneath. It also looks good when you have something underneath. If you have your favorite shade of lipstick and then you put it on top, it's like a lip gloss. And this one, the Memories lip vinyl, I can wear it every day. This is something that you want to wear kung pa-sweet ka lang or you're just going out, hanging out with your friends. Vacation. Alright, is this something that you can wear? You're having the mood to go out of town? It's like a warm nude red. Medyo mute yung color niya, pero let's see what it looks like. This is the first layer. First layer. Ang kapal na ng coverage niya. Sabi ko sa inyo can stand alone to si lip vinyl kahit wala siyang other lip products underneath. Second layer. Sa mga mahilig sa red dyan. You see? Parang naging pouty lalo yung lips ko. Your lips will be the center of attention when they look at you. Now, let's proceed with their lip gloss. So, they have two variants or two shades. So, 54 and this one is the Superstar. They look almost the same. This is just way darker than this one. This is Superstar. Wow. Opaque siya, mas dark si 54. You can see na agad yung pagka-orange niya. Mas orange siya compare dito. Let's try si Superstar. I'm so excited about this one kasi ang ganda niya. This is Superstar on first layer. Ang ganda niya. Superstar. So this is what 54 looks like on your lips without anything. First layer. And on your second layer, look at that glass effect. It's very nude. And the shining, shimmery effect. You can see the very, very fine glitters or shimmers. And take note, these shimmers are not plastic. They are natural shimmers. You won't feel anything at all when you wear these products kasi napakagaang nila sa lips. You know what, guys? The comfort, napakagaang niya sa lips. No webbing. Even yung kanilang lip filter, they were like clouds on your lips. And everything that you look for a luxurious brand or luxurious product, they all have it here. You pay for it, and you pay for the quality. Super worth it, guys. I really love it. Sarap niyang amoyin. Ewan ko na lang kung hindi ma-inlove yung mga jowa o mga crushes nyo rito sa debutant na to. So, yun lang. Everything is available on Tevian, department store branches, and of course, online. They have on the Blue app, they have on the Orange app, they have here on TikTok shop, and you may add to cart. It's also on my Yellow Basket here.